Your car just got smarter. Introducing the Autometer 8-inch Dashplay, a connected car experience that turns your ride into a command center. The CarPlay screen can be placed in and removed easily. It fits seamlessly in both single DIN or double DIN. Stay focused on the drive. Dashplay responds to voice commands for effortless navigation, communication, and entertainment, all hands-free. With 8 inches of bold touchscreen brilliance, this fully customizable display is crazy responsive and engineered to stand out. So no cords, no hassle. The wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto function will update your classic ride to let you listen to music, display your GPS maps, make calls, and send messages, all hands-free. It's like your phone, but made for the road. Built-in backup camera support gives you better rear visibility, which is ideal for longer classic vehicles. And for serious sound, Dashplay delivers 240 watts of power, a 10-band EQ, subwoofer controls, and 7 audio presets. Charge fast, stream hard, glow wild, with custom RGBs, wallpapers, and themes to match your mood or your build. Autometer Dashplay, smart tech, killer sound, safer drive. It's not just a screen, it's a full-blown upgrade. Find out more at autometer.com.